This is a 2001 Porsche Boxster. Let's go for a ride. So the S variant of this car, it has a liquid-cooled 3.2 liter inline six, pumping out 252 horsepower, made it to this beautiful manual 6-speed transmission. One thing about this car that's excellent is the Vario cams, which helps give the car torque at pretty much all throughout the RPM range. These older Boxsters like this can be picked up in the aftermarket for as little as $10,000 and even below it if you just get the regular Boxster rather than the S variant. The regular Boxster was 201 horsepower out of a 2.5 liter. It is really no less fun, and that was paired to a 5-speed transmission. And a lot of people actually found that car more drivable than this. The car has an electric convertible top, which goes down in something like 12 seconds. Here it is 20 years later, and the top has no problems. It's still going down like a charm, no leaks. You can purchase a new one on Amazon for like $600 if it does have a leak. But lots of low-end torque and power in the S. Now it's not like a modern electric car. Clicking off 60 in 5.9 seconds is just not that impressive anymore. But it's about the fun of vintage. Another thing that was innovative on this car for the engine was the sump system for the engine, so that as you're going through the hard turns, the oil is not sloshing around being deprived from one cylinder bank or the other, but it's keeping evenly lubricated. You know, it's worth mentioning that the radio broke on this car a long time ago, and we've never bothered to get it fixed because we just don't care. It's fun being out with the top down and listening to the engine. If you're going to purchase a 986 Boxster, I recommend that you look up and read about the IMS bearing problem. The IMS bearing problem is one of the biggest deals with these cars in the aftermarket. Repairing it is a nightmare, and you want to figure out between the mileage of your car and if it's had that problem in the past, what you need to do, whether or not to purchase the vehicle or not. Anyways, if you have any questions or you want to share a story about your 986, put it in the comments.